I believe Fragrance World brought out a series for Ex Nihilo, and the first one that I did a review on was for Blue Magician, which was the Blue Talisman dupe, and it's a very nice strong opening on the fragrance, but it dries out and it bases out in a very lovely fragrance, and it smells similar, or let's call it 80% to Blue Talisman. Not the best Blue Talisman dupe out there, but in its own entity, it's a brilliant fragrance. You'd love it, and it's not expensive. You can get that bottle for around $280, which is not bad. But then the next one that I want to show you as well is called Immortal London. Very nice packaging. You'll see it on the opening as well. It's a beautiful fragrance. Honestly, opens very strong, but that just helps with the long lasting and the projectiveness of the fragrance. Smells divine. It's a beautiful, well-balanced, sophisticated fragrance. Nice spray to it. An immediate saffron black pepper, or sorry, my apologies, pink pepper. Smells beautiful, and the middle notes itself goes out with rose, jasmine, and lily. Beautiful fragrance, beautiful middle notes. And then this is where the long lasting comes in and the projectiveness comes in. Well balanced off and rounded off with vanilla, frankincense, patchouli, and musk. Very nice fragrance. This is a dupe for Ignihilio's Bronten Immortals, and this is Immortal London. Very nice fragrance, very cheap fragrance. The money that you pay for it, it's well worth it. I'm not too disappointed in buying it. The other day, bought it and tested it for the first time. It was a Saturday morning. Went out to do a bit of shopping, and the first lady that assisted me gave me a compliment. So projectiveness is nice, lasting is nice. 7 out of 10 in my books, definitely. Nice packaging, nice bottle, nice fragrance, nice juice, nice smell to it. Guys, honestly, you can have this part of your collection. It's a beautiful fragrance from Fragrance World, part of the Ignihilio series, I believe. And yeah, get up and get it.